reasons only one tire loses air in cold weather, and why tires lose pressure in cold weather generally. Why do tires lose pressure in cold weather, and what are the possible reasons why only one tire loses air in cold weather? Let's find out. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel Auto V Fix, where we share helpful car maintenance and repair tips and guides. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest and yet helpful video. In today's video, we are going to delve into a common issue a lot of car owners face during colder months or around winter. Why does only one tire lose air in cold weather? This may seem like a mystery, but trust me, it is not. And today we're putting on our detective hats and cracking this case. Are you ready? Well, let's dive right into it. The reasons why tires lose pressure in cold weather, and then we will look at why sometimes it may be only one tire loses air in cold weather. So to get started, let's first off talk about why tires lose pressure in cold weather. Well, if you remember simple basic physics principles, you will know why this happens. I am talking about the gas law and its characteristics in different temperatures. So what does it say? Well, the principles state, the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to temperature. Going by this, the principle explains why tire pressure tends to drop in the winter months because the low weather makes the molecules in the air within your car tires to move more slowly in colder temperatures, resulting in a decrease in pressure. So usually, for every 10-degree drop, your car tires can lose about 1 to 2 pounds of pressure. This loss can also lead to worse fuel economy and faster tire wear, as I mentioned earlier. That is where regularly checking and maintaining proper tire pressure readings becomes important for fuel efficiency, tire lifespan, and the safety of you and everyone out. With that in mind, let's look at why does only one tire lose air in cold weather and not the rest of your car tires? Well, this can be due to a number of reasons. The first reason is the environmental position of your vehicle, where one of your wheels might have been slightly more exposed to sunlight or higher temperatures without you knowing it, which could keep the air pressure slightly higher as against the ones not exposed to the sun. The second reason could be a tiny puncture or minor damage on the tire that leads to slow air loss. Now let's break down some of the common causes for only one tire air loss. Tire damage. Even a small puncture can slowly lead to air loss. Valve stem leaks. A damaged or loose valve stem can cause a slow leak. Alloy wheel issues. Damages to the alloy can lead to an inconsistent seal. Bead leaks. This happens when the tire loses its seal with the rim. These are just some of the potential reasons why only one tire might lose air in cold weather. To diagnose this, you can conduct a simple test using soapy water. Spray the soapy water on the tire, and if you see bubbles forming, that's a sure sign of a leak. Keeping track of your tire pressure is also a crucial practice, especially during the colder months. It's always recommended to check your tire pressure when the tires are cold to get the most accurate reading. Don't forget about your spare tire too. Now, you might be wondering what your tire pressure should be in cold weather. Ideally, you should aim to maintain your car tire pressure between 30 and 35 psi, but this can vary based on your vehicle and temperature conditions. But what happens when you find yourself with a deflating tire in the winter? The first thing you should do is ensure you're safely off the road. Locate the puncture, remove the object causing it if there is one, and use a tire repair kit to seal the hole. This is just a temporary fix, so be sure to get the tire professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Preventing tire deflation is all about being proactive. Regularly cleaning your tires, especially the valves and beads, can help prevent leaks. Another helpful tip is to consider switching to nitrogen, which is less affected by temperature changes. Lastly, if you live in an area with severe winters, it might be worth investing in a set of winter or snow tires. These tires are designed to perform better in cold conditions and could potentially save you from having to deal with tire deflation. Well, that's it for today's video. Now you know why only one tire loses air in cold weather and how to handle it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and until next time, drive safely and keep those tires inflated. I will see you in my next video. Bye.